Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is the King. This episode, Chappy's going to make some cheesy ramen, shrimp pizza, and sangria gruel. Come on now, don't be cruel. Stick around for Chappy's Tiki Bar. Thank you very much.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today I'm making what I call Sangria Gruel. I think it requires an explanation though. So when my brother was 16, he played junior hockey. Now in Canada, when kids go away to play junior hockey, they stay at billets houses. Basically, families will take them in and they can live with the families, and they travel all over playing junior hockey. So my brother's billet was actually, I believe, the general manager of the team. And he was an older guy, and there was I think 3 or 4 other hockey players living in his house. And what they did for meals, they would take turns cooking each night, and then on Friday night they had what was called gruel night. So basically they just took all the leftovers and smothered it in mushroom soup, called it gruel, and that was what they had for Friday night dinner. So if there was leftover meat, leftover pasta, leftover side dishes, leftover vegetables, all went into the pot, covered it in mushroom soup, and that was their gruel. So I am going to do a sangria just using what I have left over. So therefore I'm calling it Sangria Gruel. So for instance, last night I had a nice bottle of Chianti to go with my pasta. There's about 3/4 of a bottle left, so that'll be perfect for the base of my sangria. Now I have an awesome sangria recipe, but I use blueberry wine. So this is not an awesome sangria recipe. It's just using my leftovers. So we'll start off with a 3/4 bottle of Chianti, and really there's no recipe here. It's just whatever you have in your fridge. And I'm also gonna use whatever fruit that seems to be getting old, and whatever juices I have left over. So let's see what I have left over for juices. I have some watermelon juice. And some white cranberry juice. And, I have some Sunny D. I may be the first person in history to put Sunny D in sangria, but I'm doing it. And what else we got? We got some lemonade. So this Sangria Gruel is coming along nicely. Now for leftover fruit, I just had some pears and oranges. So I cut up a pear, that's going in there. And I cut up an orange. I'm gonna save an orange wheel for garnish, but the oranges are going in there. And then, what the heck, I got some just tiny bits of booze left. I got a little bit of Captain Morgan's spiced rum. Why not? I wouldn't recommend putting that in regular sangria, but this is Sangria Gruel. And, I have a little bit of Cointreau left. Might as well get rid of her. Alright, that's my Sangria Gruel. Another important thing when you're making sangria, you don't want to put the ice in the sangria or it'll dilute it. So I have a nice big glass of ice. We're going to give that Sangria Gruel a try. Got my garnish. It's not bad. Not bad at all. All right, I think this is Appies with Chappy worthy. So we're going to do an appetizer for Appies with Chappy by the lake. I am going to do a cheesy ramen shrimp pizza. So see here how I made my cheesy ramen shrimp pizza for Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Come on now, Mookie, ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're gonna have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, we're back. I got my cheesy ramen shrimp pizza here. I think it turned out pretty good. And I'm still working on my Sangria Gruel, or Gruel Sangria. I think I'll call it Sangria Gruel. All right. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. That's Lake Okanagan. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and we got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.